For budgeting, planning, and forecasting, we were stuck in Excel. So in Excel-based models, multiple models, data not being validated or tying to each other, manual human errors, having trust issues in what you're seeing and being what's represented, not being able to update information fast enough. Those were our biggest pain points. The time it takes to go through a budgeting cycle, it's about 2 months. So it's a long lead time from start to finish. For our company, for Sumitomo, we are going through 4 quarterly budget cycles. So and these are full budget cycles, complete P&L, balance sheet, cash flow. So it is very painstaking work. And CCH Tagetik, for us, we saw during the demonstration that it was the most flexible solution for our needs. Every business is different. When you're going through trying to find a solution for your particular business, even though most solutions will be able to provide a broad and general solution, you want to be able to work with a platform that can deliver the requirement and answer the requirements that you have for your corporation. So that's what Tagetik does. I think the biggest benefits that we've currently seen are making the workflow process more efficient and expedient. We no longer have to have a manual process where someone has to ping all the individual users and managers to gather operating expense information or capital expense information. It's all done automated via the system, automated emails about deadlines, automated collection of the data. There's trust in the system because the only person that can change the data are the specific users. It's shortened the amount of time that finance has to invest in the process. I would recommend CCH Tagetik to other corporations that are looking for a solution that is able to customize their platform to their specific requirements.